Toyota 4Runner Trail Mods, must-have off-road upgrades. The Toyota 4Runner has long been a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and adventure seekers, known for its reliability, ruggedness, and trail-ready capability. The 2026 4Runner continues this legacy, offering versatile 4x4 performance, durable construction, and modern technology. To unlock its full potential, adding off-road upgrades, tires, and suspension modifications is essential for tackling challenging trails safely and confidently. A critical component for serious off-roaders is off-road tires. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner can accommodate all-terrain and mud-terrain tires that provide enhanced traction, durability, and stability in rocky, muddy, and sandy conditions. Popular options include BF Goodrich KO2, Nitto Ridge Grappler, and Falcon Wild Peak at 3W, all designed to handle extreme terrain while maintaining highway comfort. Upgrading to larger tires improves ground clearance, approach/departure angles, and overall trail capability, giving your 4Runner a more aggressive and ready-for-adventure look. Another essential upgrade is lift kits and suspension enhancements. The 2026 4Runner supports coil spring and long-arm lift kits, allowing for better articulation, improved wheel travel, and higher ground clearance. Brands like Old Man Emu, Toytech, and Bilstein offer reliable solutions for off-road enthusiasts seeking durability and performance. A lifted 4Runner paired with upgraded shocks and sway bars ensures a smoother, more controlled ride on rough trails while maintaining highway drivability. Additional off-road essentials include rock sliders, skid plates, bumpers, and recovery gear. Rock sliders protect the vehicle's body from scrapes and obstacles, while reinforced front and rear bumpers enhance protection and winch compatibility. Skid plates safeguard vital components like the engine, transfer case, and fuel tank, allowing you to tackle rocky terrain without worry. Installing LED light bars or auxiliary lights improves visibility during nighttime trails or low-light conditions. Interior and utility upgrades also play a key role. All-weather floor mats, cargo organizers, roof racks, and storage solutions keep gear secure for longer trips. Portable air compressors, recovery straps, and GPS navigation apps help you handle unexpected trail challenges safely and efficiently. Preparing your 4Runner with the right equipment ensures peace of mind and maximum enjoyment on off-road adventures. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner is a versatile, reliable, and highly capable SUV that responds well to off-road modifications. With tire upgrades, lift kits, suspension enhancements, and protective gear, your 4Runner becomes a trail-ready machine, capable of conquering mud, rocks, sand, and steep inclines with confidence. Equipped with the right trail mods, the Toyota 4Runner 2026 delivers a thrilling, capable, and dependable off-road experience, making it a top choice for enthusiasts seeking adventure-ready performance without compromising reliability.